What are we doing today, babe?
We're going to the skate park.
Don't forget your skate bag.
I won't. It's right here. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today I'm going to show you the much-awaited video, what is in my skate bag? What's in this? You don't know yet, but you will at the end of this video. So oftentimes we wonder what we should bring with us while we are skating. So whether that's going to the park or to the rink or just on a skate adventure, a trail skate, or even a dance skate session. So I'm gonna show you my skate bag. It is pretty supplied. It is really set up for if I wanna go to the skate park, which I'm at now, so I apologize if there's a bunch of noise in the background. And if I was to go to Derby, which I'm going to after this. So we're all set up for success in this bag, and it also includes some of the stuff that I bring for like dance skating sessions and stuff like that. So without further ado, this is what is in my roller skate bag. Is a YouTube channel full of roller skating tutorials, reviews, general roller skating videos, and I highly suggest that you subscribe. If you are a roller skater or if you want to become a roller skater, this is the best place for roller skating videos, so make sure to hit that notification bell because I put out new videos every Tuesday. We're gonna talk about what's in my skate bag, and the way I think that is best to do this is just to jump into my skate bag. Not actually, this is not Mary Poppins bag, but I'm going to dive into, not actually, I'm going to reach into my skate bag and pull out stuff and then talk about them. But before I even get to my skate bag, one of the things that I always bring to the skate park is a mug. This mug from Fellow is super awesome. I always need some sort of caffeine before an early morning skate park session. I'm one of those people that always goes to the skate park super early because I want to really be by myself or be with less people and repeat my tricks again and again and again. And I don't know if you know this about me, but I am definitely not a morning person, so I need caffeine. And what's really cool about this specific mug is that it is a 360 lid, which means that it is basically spill proof and your girl is a klutz. So I have a bunch of coffee in here. There's this mug part at the top that kind of controls the liquid, and I'm always spilling things, and especially when I am driving and then skating from my car to the skate park, I never want to lose any bit of caffeine because I need it all. So if you want to get a Carter Move mug with this 360-degree sip lid, you can get it at www.fellowproducts.com, and there's also a bunch of other cool coffee gadgets on there that you should check out. Moving on to what's in my bag, we will first go to the front pocket, which is where I keep my phone. My phone is one of the most important things that I bring with me to the skate park. One, just in case, one, I always take my phone everywhere, but two, if I wanted to get cool skate clips, or if I wanted to call someone because I am having an emergency of some kind, like I get hurt or something happens, then I definitely need my phone. Next, I have my sunglasses, and I am one of those people who literally cannot see without my sunglasses. Like, if the sun is out, I need sunglasses. I also think that they're a fabulous accessory. A fabulous accessory, and so bring some sunglasses. I always have sunglasses with me at the park and in any skate session that I'm ever a part of. Okay, so next in my bag is gonna be this guy. This is my helmet. Safety is sexy. I love this helmet. This helmet is from S1 Helmets. It even has one of Shov's earliest drawings that she did graphically, and this is her first sticker that she ever made, and I love it. And yeah, it has also Jessica Savage's sticker on it, but I love this helmet. This is a retro helmet, and actually Shove got this for me for Valentine's Day one year. Isn't that so sweet? Anyways, you bring your helmet because you don't want to get hurt. At least I bring my helmet so I don't want to get hurt. On the lines of safety gear, I also have my Moxie pad set. This is called the Wild Pack. It is the knee pads and the wrist guards, and there's elbow pads, but I don't bring the elbow pads because I have a different elbow pad that I prefer. So this Wild Pack, I have the large, extra large set. I love this set. I think it's awesome, and even though I don't use the elbow pads, I still think that the set is totally worth it just to get the wrist guards and the knee pads. And also, I'm a hoe for leopard print, so that. Okay, so since we're talking about safety gear and I brought up elbow pads, these are the elbow pads that I actually use. Don't judge me, they're super gross, but these elbow pads, what I like about them, they're AAA and they're really, really low profile and they're really stretchy. So they slip on and they have this hard casing. And these are the elbow pads that I wear for roller derby because you have to wear elbow pads, and these I felt like were the least bulky that I could find, and I absolutely love them. Oh, these are a size medium because my arms are really small, and that's another reason why, like with the pad set, like the elbow pads just didn't fit me, like they were too big, and so I just got these, and these are the best investment for wearing elbow pads. These are the best. Love them. Highly recommend. Okay, next up, I have my disco water bottle. So having a water bottle is really important to stay hydrated, whatever type of roller skating you're doing. I always drink a crap ton of water whenever I am skating, whether it's at the park or dance skating or roller derby. Water is life, and I love it. I never love it unless I'm roller skating, and then I just love it. And this water bottle, actually, I made it. So I took a bunch of like disco ball pieces and I glued them to this water bottle. Highly recommend. It was a great craft. It's very flashy, and now it's very obvious when I forget my water bottle somewhere. Hey. The next thing in my skate bag is an extra pair of socks. And you might say, Rebel, why do you need an extra pair of socks? Are you not wearing socks? Yes, I'm wearing socks. Although there are a lot of skaters who just don't wear socks with their roller skates. And so if you want to know more about that, you could totally put that down in the comments below and I'll talk about that. But I bring an extra pair of socks because something that a lot of people don't know is that when you sweat a lot and your feet get super sweaty, you get blisters way easier. Your feet tend to slide around a little bit more within your skates, and your wet socks will rub up against your feet and your skates, and you will more likely get blisters. So if I am skating for a long period of time, I feel like my feet are getting super sweaty, I'm just gonna switch out my socks because that's gonna save me a lot of pain down the road. Next, I have a couple cool ointments, and these are for when my muscles get super sore or I get hurt and I want to put something to cool my muscles or my body down. I'm going to use these ointments that I have. Oh yeah, so this is a little massager thing. So if there are specific parts of your body, maybe you're cramping or you feel like you really need to be rubbed out, then I got this massager. I think I got it from Target for like $10. It's a Homedics massager, but you just like put it down there and you press the button and it like vibrates and like rubs into your skin, and I found it to be really helpful. I'll like throw it on my thighs or my calves sometimes, and yay, little massager. I also have extra laces, and I have extra laces because your girl is really aggressive on her skates. So a lot of times, like I just switched these laces, so I'm probably good for a while, but a lot of times when I'm not wearing a toe cover, I will fall or something will happen where my laces will rub against the concrete or the asphalt or wherever I'm at, and then like my laces will rip, and when your laces rip, you're like, well, what do I do now? And that's why I have extra laces. Also, these are rainbow gradient laces, and they're so freaking cool, and I sell them on cheersthequeers.com. Next up is a thing I simply cannot live without, and that is my speaker. This speaker is a JBL clip. I got it on Amazon, and honestly, I know so many skaters who use this specific speaker. This speaker is awesome, and the reason why this speaker is awesome is because it can clip onto your fanny pack. It can just be on your bag when you're at the skate park or at a dance circle or whatever you're doing, and it's actually really, really loud, and they come in cute colors. I also have this thing, and you might be like, what is this thing? Well, this is a spinner. So this is from Idea, and Idea is like an artistic roller skate brand company. It's a roller skate company, and they make these spinners. So if I wanted to practice spinning, then I would put it on the ground and not on my skates, like on my regular shoes. I would step on it, and then I would practice spinning like this. These are so fun. Highly recommend. Practice with your spins, everything like that. The next thing I have is AirPods, and I have my AirPods because if I'm at the skate park or if I'm at a dance circle or if I'm somewhere and I want to listen to my own music and not the kind of music that everyone else is listening to, then I need a method of having that happen, and my AirPods are the way I do that. So I have some safety things for myself. The safety things that I have for myself are my mask, my Lysol disinfectant spray, and my hand sanitizer. I keep these because COVID is real and I want to protect myself no matter what situation I get in. Lysol disinfectant spray is really good to have on you too. If you want to make sure that your pads don't grow a bunch of bacteria, spraying these after you finish skating is like a really great option, especially because we all know that roller skaters don't clean their pads enough, myself included, so I'm also at fault. Next up is tools. I have a variety of tools in this bag. I know I shouldn't have this many tools in my bag, and I'm a little bit of a tool hoarder in my bag right now, so I really should clean out my bag, but like I just grabbed my bag, so I'm being real. This is the Moxie Vice Versa tool, and this is really great to put on your keychain. It's just for like changing wheels, and technically all three of these tools, all four of these tools do the same thing, with this one doing a little bit more, but I should probably only have one tool, but you know, crap happens. Some extra like parts for my skates. So I have an extra toe stop just in case I lose a toe stop. I have an extra bearing just in case I lose a bearing. And I also have extra jam plugs. So right now I have with me my skate park setup, but if I decided that I wanted to do some dance skating, then I wanted to switch to some jam plugs, I can do that because I have the jam plugs and I also have the tools to do that. Oh, I also have deodorant. Bring deodorant, seriously. You never know. You never know. Deodorant. And the last thing that I have is I always keep stickers in my bag. And I keep stickers in my bag in case I run into someone who's like, oh my God, I watch your YouTube channel. And then I can give them a sticker because I think that that's really cool. And I love passing out stickers and meeting new people. So if you ever see me in public, come say hi, grab a sticker from me. So that's everything that's in my skate bag. Tell me what's in your skate bag in the comments.
And let's skate.
queergirlstraightskates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again, Fellow, for this wonderful mug and for sponsoring this video. And if you want to support me, you can go to www.cheerstothequeers.com and get some stuff, or you can become a Patreon to support this channel every month. And most importantly, cheers to the queers!